In this video, I'll be showing you the exchanges for Italy and using the payment method banks transfer. So let's get started. We found 16 Bitcoin exchanges and Italy Daships banks transfer. Coinbase, Luno, Bitpanda, Coinbase Pro, CX.io, Paymium, Bitty, Safelo, Bitstamp, Kraken, Corner, Qubits, Bitfinex, Belgacoin, Happy Coins, and Bisqua. To find more information about those companies, you can click the blue button which says re-review, or you can click the green button to buy Bitcoin. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, you can go to the Weirdest Coins or the link down below, which is the blog. And I'll see you on my next video.